guys, as I told you, I'd be installing this throttle body EFI injection system. I've already got it installed, but there's a problem with it. This is not a plug-and-play unit, not for a Pontiac, maybe for a Chevrolet or a Ford, but I've had to modify everything on here to make it work. Right now I'm modifying the throttle cable holder to work on the okay guys, what I've done here is I used the original throttle cable bracket, and I just made extensions, 2 1/4 inch extensions, which brings it out and up. And here I made the same type of extension, and I used a spacer for an old air conditioner off of another 70 Pontiac, and I was able to bolt my spark plug wire loom to it as original, and I will be able to bolt the coil to it. It's just going to move everything out and up just a bit, which should all be out of the way. That's just one of the many upgrades I had to do.